Good morning and hello from the farm. I am here for the week of the 4th of July. This is where we've spent the 4th the last few years, and it is one of the weeks that I look forward to most. I'm going to be slowing down and relaxing and spending time with the animals here. I don't know if you can see the sheep in the background. We're going to go to my cousin's stable and see the horses and maybe do some riding, doing lots of barbecuing. We're having a boat day, and I'm not sure what else. We'll see how the week unfolds, but I am really excited to show you one of my absolute favorite places. Everyone else is working right now. I did my work that I needed to do last night at like 11 p.m. because I knew that I would want to spend as much time as possible outside during the daylight hours. So I'm gonna get in the pool and read my book for a little bit. It is so hot here, but I put the dogs inside because I think they need to cool off, and Miss Gigi and Freddie are both just glaring at me, so I'm gonna let them out and they can sit in the shade. Hello, you two. I think they want to come back out. Gigi loves it here. I'm coming back out. It's pretty hot.
Hi, babies.
Very
Hi,
cute.
babies.
Are you a little baby?
The baby's like, wait, the brown one is so cute.
My name is Maxie. I am the show.
We're making a healthy mocktail, very hot out, so we're going to do something that's fruit forward, starting with some orange juice.
Oh yeah.
That is a large one.
We'll start with some orange juice. And then we're going to get some citrus, so we'll do some lemon and some lime.
Delicious.
And we learned from experience that we do not put the Spindrift in the shaker because it's carbonated and that will not go well. So we're going to take the juices. And everyone knows the best part of a margarita is the salt. So we have some lovely pink Himalayan salt. So we do that to about there, and now we're going to do some blood orange and some lemon. Give it a little sparkle.
A little sparkle.
And we have a lovely mocktail.
Perfect. We are all in our red, white, and blue to watch the World Cup tonight. The US is playing, and it's a very delicious mocktail. Now my sister is going to make a impromptu charcuterie board for our little watch party.
Hear that? World Cup watch party.
Where's my microphone? Oh. Hi.
Hi. Hashtag World Cup watch party. Find us on Twitter.
What I'm most excited about is
World Cup watch party. World Cup watch party.
Are you aware that they're doing a song at the end? The winning team is doing a song and they want the entire audience to sing it.
No, I didn't know that.
And all the teams had to submit like 3 songs to pick from that then the FIFA people selected. And the US sent their 3 in, and the song that was picked was Take Me Home Country Roads.
I saw that, but I didn't know that that was like an official selection. I just
the
thought people
official
started
song.
singing that.
Nope.
That's a great choice. That's one of the best songs of all time.
That's my special fave song, girl.
Me too. It will bring tears to your eyes.
Especially if you're from a country road.
Does anyone know the other U.S. choices that didn't make the cut?
No.
No, please tell us.
They also picked Sweet Caroline, but England somehow got that. Go figure. And Living on a Prayer. With Rocket Love.
I was trying to give this to you. Hopefully you can hear you. I think you can. No, it's okay.
She loves living on the prayer.
She does.
We might go see Bon Jovi this month.
No one told me about that.
I just heard it on the local radio.
Here?
He's doing 9 shows only at Madison Square Garden.
I wasn't invited.
I
will be
just heard it on the local radio.
Is that enough, or do we need more swabbing? Like, we don't know how many people are coming.
We don't know how many people are coming to the World Cup watch party. This looks so ugly.
It's not.
All right, well, let's do some work.
It's giving Lunchable. I think this should be in a cute little bowl. Get like a ramekin.
So wrong looking. I got the...
All right, we're doing a little better now. Putting some effort into our
Sounds
World
too
Cup
big.
watch party.
You could also put like a little bowl of fruit. Little bowls are cute, so you could do a different.
So we have fig dip and then we'll have real figs.
I've been already on
No answer from me.
Big mouth. What?
I have a massive fail on the Ritz.
They're not gluten free.
They're cheap.
I did an online order.
Please look at the Ritz crackers my mom got for the charcuterie board.
They're all little icons, right? And I saw Ritz and their crackers, and sadly, they are Ritz cheese cracker sandwiches.
Yum.
Feeling I am being followed. I am. I'm going to this bench that's up here. Hello, we are going to go on a little tour of the other side of the farm today and see what is over there. Yeah, you're very silly. little butterfly.
I opened this facility, well, like this portion 3 years ago.
Hello, it is in the 90s here, so the only way to be outside for more than like 5 minutes is if you are in the pool. So we're gonna have a pool day today. I come out first, everyone else is finishing up their work, and I'm gonna read a little bit of my book. Whoops. I'm reading Mare, which I felt like was very fitting for here, and so far I'm enjoying it. It is a little bit different of a plot, but I think it is a lot about motherhood or non-motherhood and how this woman becomes very obsessed with caring for a horse. And there are a lot of horse things in it, and I love animals, so I am liking that aspect too. Hi, Junie. We have a fresh gooey butter cake, which is a Missouri specialty, and there's also brownies somewhere.
They're about 3 minutes away.
She has been baking. This is the cat dad. Hi, Willow. Willow's not gonna like that. Puppy and kitty. Yeah.
Cocktail served.
Thank you. We also have buffalo chicken dip, a classic.
Have all your babies.
I do. Good morning. We are on the way to Mark Twain Lake for our boat day. It is still in the 90s, so I have a feeling we will be spending a lot of time in the water. We're also going to be tubing and going to the marina for lunch, so it should be a very fun day.
Got a lot of antique shops. People come to the lake and they come here and shop.
Oh, Mom and I should have gone to the antique stores.
Yep. I'll drop the ladder for her.
I'm refusing to jump in.
You can jump in the back, but you walk down the ladder.
I'm the only one going in via steps.
I think it's a wise move.
I think.
Steps are down.
Thank you.
I did too. That's what we're talking about.
Oh, I don't like doing this.
Crazy stuff.
There's fish in here. Yay. Just don't look. Just don't look.
Go, Megan, go! Go, Megan! I did it! Good job, Megan!
I'm in.
Oh, we can put this in my Survivor audition tape. I can swim. Nice with the shit.
let Tyler tube without me because he likes to go significantly faster than I would ever want to go. And now we are going to the marina for lunch. I think I will get pulled pork like I got last year, but we shall see what the menu is looking like. If I recall, the french fries were also very delicious. The food is here, and I got skinny fries and forgot that I am obsessed with these seasoned fries they have here, and now I won't get to have them for a whole year. It's a tragedy. I have to go see if anyone else got the better fries. Like my mom. My sister's friend did, but I can't steal his fries. My mom had also ordered an extra side of these when I had gone inside to check, so she just brought me half. These are the good fries. I could not leave without a scoop of ice cream. I sampled a lemon cheesecake and s'mores, but we went with mint chocolate chip.
Oh, what'd you get?
Yeah, I did get ice cream. Would you like some?
Yeah.
That's what I got this time.
Well, my creative later.
I am getting an Alani for the boat ride. I'm feeling a little sleepy. Let's see what we want.
Hashtag World Cup watch party.
Perfect. We have a line. We are stopped at a different marina. My dad said he hadn't been to this one in 20 years, so he just wanted to come see what it looked like. They also have hand-dipped ice cream and ice cream sandwiches here, so I don't know, maybe I should have waited.
Blackjack Marina, celebrating USA, 1776 to 2026.
Doing a little souvenir shopping. We're doing a hat try-on. It's cute. I don't know. We'll see. What do we think? I might go higher than 1,000.
Higher than 1,000.
We're debating how much to be paid to put our feet in the catfish water, and my sister said 100.
Crisp $100 bill. Chris Benjamin.
No, I am much higher. We are back from the pool, and I'm sitting by the pool. We are back from the lake. Nothing feels better than a fresh shower after you have been covered in SPF and in the sun all day. It was so nice out. It was 99 degrees, but somehow did not feel like it at all. Probably because we spent so much time in the water. Tonight we have a different side of the family coming, so there will be 30 more people here. So everyone is barbecuing and getting ready for that right now. At least the other side of the family is. Tonight was our side's night off from cooking. So we have been snacking, watching the World Cup. It's been really fun having that going on during the fourth week this year. I feel like it gives us an activity in the evenings, but I think we might get out cornhole tonight and play some other games. They have ladder golf too, but I don't think I'm very good at ladder golf. So we will see how the rest of the night goes.
Like half black on the bottom.
Those are badgers.
What do you want
Like
with
we're
me?
out here
And
walking.
Tyler? You stand up. Tyler will put me on it.
Okay, we have bacon wrapped chicken, deviled eggs, honey cornbread, sweet potato, and beans. And it all looks very delicious. And we are still watching the World Cup.
Colombia.
I'm ready for Ghana. Sibling rivalry.
The sunset is so pretty here at night. I love it. And there's a lot of fireflies, but I don't know if you can see them on camera. Or lightning bugs, whichever word you prefer. Good morning and happy 4th of July from the farm. I am excited to bring you along with me for the day, and I think I'll be spending all day with my family. I did work out this morning and it might rain, as you can tell from the sky, but we're gonna do some pool time, barbecue. I can't wait.
Here's the food. There's a salad. Oh, chips. I need to get these.
They're all over there.
They're over there. Chips are over there. There is pulled pork from Steve. This crock pot is beef franks, pork franks, and sausages. The ones on this end are not barbecued. The ones on this end are barbecued with a spicy barbecue sauce. But not real spicy, just a little spicy, but it's a little spicy. Not bad. And that's the meal. And let's bow our heads for a word of prayer.
So we have brisket, beans, green bean casserole, potato casserole, broccoli, and cheese casserole, greens, and mac and cheese.
I'm applying for Survivor. Choose me.
It is now dessert time, and we have lots of cupcakes, and I don't know if you can hear me because the music's very loud.